Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss a question from geometry. This question is from RMO exam 2014. The question is, let ABC be a triangle, bit AB is greater than AC, let P be a point on line beyond A such that AP plus BC is equal to AB. Let N be the midpoint of BC and Q be the point on side AB such that CQ is perpendicular to AM. What we need to prove? We need to prove that BQ is equal to 2AB. Now, I am going to give solution of this problem. Now, what is given? It is given that AP plus BC is equal to AB and BM is equal to CM because M is the midpoint of BC and AM is perpendicular to CQ. Now, I am doing some construction. Now, what construction I have done? I have simply extended this BP to F such that PF is equal to PC. From here PF is equal to PC. This is PF and this is PC. Now what is given? It is given that AB is equal to AP plus PC. It is given in the question. Now instead of PC can be write AB as AP plus PF, because what we have assumed this PF is equal to PC and it is given, let us suppose this is equation 1. From here it is given AP plus PC is equal to AB, AP plus PC is equal to AB. Simply replace this PC to PF. What we find? AB is equal to AP plus PF. So AB is equal to AP plus PF. What is AP plus PF? This AP plus PF is equal to F only. So AP plus PF is how much? F only. So from here what we conclude? We conclude A is the midpoint of PF. So what can we say? BA is equal to AF. Or BA is how much? BQ plus QA is equal to AP plus PF. Say this is equation number 2. Now A is the midpoint of PF and M is the midpoint of BC. In triangle BCF, from here in triangle, if we analyze this triangle BCF, what we find? M is the midpoint. This M is the midpoint of BC and A is the midpoint of BF. So what can we say? We say AM is parallel to how much? FC, because both M and A are midpoint of side BC and BF respectively. So what can we say from here? We say this angle is how much? This angle is angle QCF is also equal to 90 degree from this property. So QCF is 90 degree. Now PC is equal to how much? PC is equal to PF. It is given by construction. So if this angle is alpha, how much is this angle? This is also equal to alpha, because according to property of isosceles triangle. And what about this angle? This angle is how much? 90 degree minus alpha, because this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. QCF is right angle triangle from here. And what about this angle? This angle is also equal to 90 degree minus alpha. So what can we say? So we can conclude angle PFC, this angle PFC, this is alpha and this is also equal to alpha, PCF is equal to alpha. And angle PCQ, this angle PCQ, this is 90 degree minus alpha. And what about angle PQC? Also this is same as 90 degree minus alpha. So PC is equal to PQ. If PC is equal to PQ, what does it mean? This means PC is equal to PQ is equal to PF. So what can we draw conclusion? P is midpoint of this P is midpoint of QF. So what we conclude from the following condition? We conclude A is midpoint of PF and P is midpoint of QF. Now if A is midpoint, so what does it mean? We can say BQ plus QA is equal to AP plus PF. From this condition, A is midpoint of BF and P is midpoint of QF. P is midpoint of QF. What does it mean? QA plus AP is equal to PF. Now subtracting these two equations, subtracting what we find? BQ minus AP is equal to AP. So BQ is equal to 2AP. That we need to prove. So this is the concept how to solve this problem. So construction is required. So key step here is construction. So what I did here, we have simply extend this BP to PF such that this PF, let us suppose if this is X, this also equal to PF is equal to PC. Now PF is equal to PC means these two angles are equal, alpha alpha. These two angles are equal, and the conditions applying this condition, we got the result. So hope you understand the solution and enjoy the video. Thank you and see you next video.